Hi, I'm Mark Allen. Thanks for joining me here on Expert Village. So now we have this variety of eggplant. And what we're going to do is with a fork, we're going to serrate or pull into it and just streak across the flesh of the cut part of the eggplant. Just like that. Do it to each one of them. What this does, we're going to be marinating this in balsamic vinegar and olive oil. It allows the olive oil to penetrate into the flesh of the eggplant. We're going to cut off the tops here. Put them right now in a glass pan. Cut side up. Okay.